Good morning, students. Today is Saturday, and on Saturday we do some activity. And see what is the activity today. Have you seen this picture? See this picture. Very beautiful. So you have learned the topic adjectives. And what are adjectives? Adjectives are describing words. How to describe a picture, how to describe a person, what to describe if anything is there, what describing words we can use for that. And this activity we are going to do today. And the picture that is before you, you will tell the describing words about that picture. For example, you can speak the words also and you can speak the sentences also, but the describing word should be there in between them. Clear to everyone? Yeah, okay. Now see your picture. What is the color of the flowers? Yellow. Yes. So we can say yellow flowers, beautiful flowers, lovely flowers, soft flower, green leaves, big leaves, blue butterfly, beautiful butterfly. The butterfly is sitting on the flowers. The flowers are very beautiful. Or we can say this is the scene of a garden. There are many flowers. The flowers are big. The flowers are beautiful. The butterfly is sitting on the flowers. It is sucking the nectar of the flowers. So in this way we can write 10 sentences to describe the scene of this garden. You can speak more as much you like. So it was our first picture. Now come to the second. And today we are doing how to describe a picture. Wow, see this. This is also the picture of the garden. And you see a very big man is there. And children are playing around him. And you see, this is the scene of a garden. The grass is green. Children are happy. A big man is there. And some children are sitting on his shoulder, on his knee. And some are playing around him. The grass is green. The trees are big. They have a big tree trunk. So it's a very beautiful scene, don't you feel? Yeah. So while describing any picture, while speaking the describing words, we can use as much we want. We can start thus this is the scene of a garden. Children are playing. A big man is sitting near the tree trunk. Children are playing on his shoulder, on his hand, on his knee. Some children are standing near him. The trees are very big. The grass is green. So in this way we can speak many sentences as much we can want. And we have to describe this picture. You see how many children are there? Can you count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 children are there. And one girl is wearing a red frock and another is wearing white. So 3, 5, red, blue, green, these all colors are adjectives. These all colors names are adjectives. Red frock, it is telling about the frock. Blue shirt, telling about the shirt. So these are the words of quality. They are telling the quality of somebody or something. So these are adjective, and adjectives are also called describing words. And we are describing a picture. Wow, very beautiful. Now see this. Oh, I think it's the scene of a jungle. See how many animals are here. It's a big snake is there. Big snake is there. Then a Bagheera is there. A bear is there. Monkeys are there. So there are many animals. Now see the last picture. This is the picture of a playground. Children are playing in the ground. They are very happy. One is batting, another is bowling, and some are fielding. The sky is blue and yellow, and the children are very happy and energetic. So all these words are adjective. Happy, energetic, full of energy. Energetic children, happy children, blue sky, yellow sky. So these all are adjective, and we can describe a picture with the help of adjectives. We can say how many children are there, then the number is adjective. So in this way we can describe the picture. We can tell about the sky, we can tell about the ground, we can tell what they are playing. So in this way we can describe this picture. And it is the activity today to describe, to see the picture and describe it with the help of the describing words. So clear to everyone? Very good. Along with activity, I will give you some work also. You will do that work also. Bye.